This, to me, is how you create a gift and keep your marketing job. On the left is the job your marketing is being hired to do. We all know this stuff. Like, this is kind of why we make marketing is there's a desired business outcome we're trying to get. So it might be brand positioning. It might be, net promoter score, brand awareness, you name it. There's lots of different business outcomes that we try and get. But if we only focus on the business outcomes, that's only about us. We're not going to get into the attention for it these days. On the other side is the gift. This is something that we just show up and give generously that is hugely valuable to the people we're trying to reach. If we only focus on the gift, we're not going to keep our marketing job because it's not going to deliver any business results. These both have to be in balance. When the job is in balance with the gift, we're giving something that creates value for the people we're trying to impact first. And by giving them that gift, it actually delivers our business outcome. So we're going to look at a whole bunch of different examples today of where the job and the gift stay in balance. But before we do, I just wanted to address one thing in the room. I feel like there's a decent chance you might have something in your head saying, like, I know where this meathead from Canada is going. It's a castle. We're trying to get into the castle. We're attacking the castle. We can't get in. Show up with a gift. I know where this is going. It's a Trojan horse. Except it's not a Trojan horse because the Trojan horse is a bait and switch. The Trojan horse is actually a threat to the castle. You show up, it looks like a gift, you come inside, and literally murderers come out of the horse and take over the castle. That's not a friend of the fort. Similarly, I think if this was marketing, it would be like if you design a gift and it shows up and inside you open up the doors and then a whole bunch of salespeople come out and try and close you. That is not a friend of the fort. That is a bait and switch. And there's a lot of bait and switch that goes on with kind of fake gifts in marketing. So we're going to look at that too. But I think ultimately what we have to really realize if we want to get in and be a friend of the fort, we have to create a real gift, something that is actually worthy of attention. And it's a really high bar. So some of the stuff I'm going to talk about today is going to be like awkwardly hard to do. But I would encourage you to think, is that actually true? Like, even though it's hard, that's probably the only way to get into the attention for it reliably.